Since the beginning of time, civilizations have used the process of drying in the sun as a natural means of preserving food for storage. We now welcome you to the modern world of home food drying. Hydroflow Industries Limited, located in Upper Hutt near Wellington, the capital of New Zealand, has incorporated 15 years of food drying experience to design and develop the world's most advanced home food dryers, the Ezidri Ultra 1000 and the Ezidri Snack Maker. Using 21st century technology of microprocessor and integrated circuitries with soft-touch digital control, the Ezidri dryers provide efficient, economical, even drying of the highest standard. A powerful, high-revving motor drives a specially designed impeller that draws the air up through the base of the unit, forcing it over a heating element, thermostatically controlled to ensure the preset temperature is accurately maintained throughout the drying cycle. This heated air is then forced up through the side chambers, across each tray and up through the centre vent. This provides a controlled, evenly heated airflow system without cross-flavouring of produce between trays. Whether preserving in bulk when fruit and produce is plentiful, or just making the family's favourite snacks, Ezidri home food dryers will meet all your needs. The Ezidri Ultra 1000 is specifically designed for bulk food drying and preserving. It is the first and only food dryer with soft touch controls, incorporating a programmed 2-hour preset temperature booster. This 21st century technology gives it the capacity to dry up to 30 trays of produce at one time. The Ezidri Snack Maker has been designed for everyday general use, making delicious dried fruit, tasty fruit roll-ups, sweet and savoury snacks, muesli and health bars, corn and potato chips. You'll be amazed at how quick and easy these snacks are to produce, and the family will just love the results. Because the dried food is both lightweight and space-saving, it's perfect for backpackers, campers, boaties and school lunches. All the information you will need to begin drying is contained in the fully comprehensive instruction recipe book. Please take time to read this informative step-by-step guide to successful drying. Let's start with vegetables. Take the vegetables straight from your garden when they are young and fresh, or buy at the height of the season when they're cheap and plentiful. Cut off any blemishes and slice the vegetables uniformly, about 5 millimetres or 1/4 inch thick. Remember, they should all be the same thickness so they will take the same time to dry. The time needed to dry can vary, as it depends on the thickness of the slices, moisture content, humidity, as well as height above sea level. All can play a part in determining how long drying can take. For this reason, all the drying times indicated in the book are general guides only. Set the temperature at 50 degrees Celsius or medium, and place one layer with slices slightly apart on each tray. Sticky vegetables like tomatoes, small beans and peas are best dried on a mesh sheet. Near the end of the suggested drying period, you should test the vegetables to see if they are correctly dried. Depending on the produce being dried, they should be pliable to crisp with no damp spots. When drying is complete, allow the vegetables to cool. Then place them in airtight, moisture-proof containers and store in a cool, dry, dark place. They can also be vacuum sealed in plastic bags, which is ideal for backpackers. Because there is less than 2% moisture left in dried food, it will not freeze, and unlike fresh produce, can be stored indefinitely in the deep freeze without damage to the food cells. In the instruction recipe book, you will find further advice and pointers designed to make the Ezidri your most useful preserving system ever. Fresh fruit provides a most delicious dried product to eat as a dried fruit for use in pies and baking, and for muesli and health bars. This peeler slicer corer makes the task of preparing apples a breeze, and not just for drying either. These evenly cut apple slices are ideal for apple pies and general cooking, as well as drying. To retain their natural colour, apple slices can be placed in pineapple juice or other pre-treatments, as detailed in the instruction book. When drying fruit halves like plums or apricots, pop the backs or turn them inside out to hasten the drying process. Always place them skin down on the tray. Do not discard overripe fruit. This is ideal for making delicious, healthy treats which children and adults love. Lightly oil a solid sheet with vegetable oil. Spread the mashed fruit or puree evenly over the sheet and dry. The roll-ups make scrumptious health snacks for lunches or as an alternative to sweets and biscuits. When reconstituted, roll-ups make delicious purees and sauces. Other nutritious products such as this muesli and fruit roll-up are easy to make and great to eat. The combinations of fruits provides an endless variety of roll-ups. You are only limited by your imagination. You will also find that your own dried fruits are excellent for use in your general baking, and you can experiment with combinations of your choice. Health snacks are another nutritious product which are very easily made in your Ezidri. You can use your own dried fruits, like this mix, made up from last season's excess dried fruit, blended in a food processor. With the increasing popularity as a snack of dried meats such as beef and game jerky, the Ezidri is perfect to produce your own, marinated to your taste. When dried in 6 to 8 hours, it will surpass any commercially produced variety. Mushroom casserole, savoury pizza vegetable soup, even rice pudding all dry well and reconstitute perfectly. After cooling, the meal is laid out on a lightly oiled solid sheet. When dried, they can be stored in airtight containers or prepackaged ready for use. Because of their lightweight and small size, these packs are ideal for hikers, yachties, mountain climbers and outdoor enthusiasts. They know their home cooking retains vital nutrients and original flavours. Making your own dried herbs in the Ezidri is as easy as spreading fresh herbs on mesh sheets and drying them at a low temperature. Dried herbs exhibit intensified natural colours, flavours and aromas, making them much more attractive and nutritious than commercially produced herbs. Use your Ezidri to preserve the colour and vitality of your summer garden throughout the winter by drying a wide variety of petals, flowers and foliage for potpourri. When preparing flowers for potpourri, the dried petal should be the texture of cornflakes. Stemmed flowers can be bunched and hung face down underneath a standard tray by using spacer rings. The number of extra rings depends on the length of the stems. A separate video giving full details on flower drying is available. Ezidri has many useful accessories, including packs of trays, spacer rings, solid and mesh sheets, and the peeler slicer corer with free paring knife, and a bag sealer to make your job that much easier. Vegetables, fruits, herbs, flowers, health snacks and complete meals all dry perfectly. Your Ezidri opens up a whole new world of food preparation opportunities for you. You will be able to prepare healthier, more nutritious dried foods naturally. The Ezidri will quickly become the key to a new, exciting and easier way to preserve food, giving you and your family nutritious and adventurous meals. The Ezidri Ultra 1000 and Ezidri Snack Maker, the world's most efficient, easy-to-use home food dryers. Have fun and enjoy.